The Industrial Revolution stands as one of humanity's most transformative periods, fundamentally reshaping how people lived, worked, and understood their world. This monumental shift began in late 18th century Britain, where a unique convergence of factors created the perfect conditions for unprecedented technological and social change. Britain's position as the cradle of industrialization wasn't coincidental. The nation possessed crucial advantages: political stability, naval dominance, protecting vital trade routes, abundant coal and iron resources, a growing population, and a sophisticated financial system capable of funding industrial expansion. These elements combined to create an environment where innovation could flourish. The revolution's initial spark came from the textile industry, Britain's largest manufacturing sector. The traditional cottage industry, where families produced cloth by hand in their homes, was transformed by a series of groundbreaking inventions. James Hargreaves's spinning jenny in 1764 revolutionized production by enabling workers to spin multiple threads simultaneously. Richard Arkwright's water frame in 1769 further advanced the process by harnessing water power, dramatically increasing efficiency and output. The most transformative invention was James Watt's improved steam engine in 1776. This innovation provided reliable power that could be used anywhere, freeing factories from their dependence on water sources. The steam engine's impact extended far beyond manufacturing. It revolutionized transportation when Richard Trevithick built the first steam locomotive in 1804. By the 1830s, Britain was crisscrossed with railways, dramatically reducing travel times and transportation costs. This new railway network transformed society by making travel more accessible and creating numerous jobs in construction, maintenance, and operations. The revolution in iron and steel production proved equally significant. New smelting techniques and the transition from charcoal to coke enabled mass production of these crucial materials, facilitating the construction of larger, more complex machines and innovative building materials. This advancement underpinned the entire industrial infrastructure, from factory machinery to railway tracks. Agriculture underwent its own transformation during this period. Improved farming techniques and machinery increased food production efficiency, freeing up labor for industrial work and supporting growing urban populations. This agricultural revolution was crucial in supporting the massive population shifts from rural to urban areas. The social impact of industrialization was profound and far-reaching. The factory system replaced cottage industries, creating a new class of industrial workers dependent on wages rather than owning their means of production. These workers often endured harsh conditions, long hours, low wages, and dangerous working environments in crowded, unsanitary cities. Meanwhile, a new class of industrial capitalists emerged, widening the gap between rich and poor and creating social tensions that would eventually lead to significant reforms. Women and children's roles in society shifted dramatically as they entered factory work, often at lower wages than men. This created new social tensions and eventually led to reforms addressing working conditions and child labor. The factory system also transformed family life as work moved from homes to centralized locations and rigid schedules replaced traditional working patterns. The revolution transformed people's relationship with time itself. Traditional agricultural work patterns, governed by seasons and daylight, gave way to strict factory schedules. New management techniques and organizational structures emerged to coordinate large-scale industrial operations, creating the foundations of modern business practices. The Industrial Revolution wasn't confined to Britain. By the early 19th century, industrialization spread across Europe and North America, though unevenly. The United States, blessed with abundant resources and a growing population, became a major industrial power by the mid-19th century. Different regions industrialized at different rates, depending on factors such as natural resources, political stability, and access to capital and labor. Environmental impacts were significant and lasting. Coal burning and industrial waste led to unprecedented air and water pollution. Rapidly growing cities faced new challenges in waste disposal and water supply. These environmental consequences created new public health challenges and began to shape attitudes toward industrial development and environmental protection. The revolution sparked new political ideologies and social movements. Workers organized unions to demand better conditions and wages. Reformers campaigned for improved housing, sanitation, and education in industrial cities. New political philosophies like socialism emerged in response to industrialization's challenges. These movements helped establish many of the labor rights and social welfare systems we know today. Science and technology advanced rapidly as practical problems demanded innovative solutions. The need to solve industrial challenges led to new scientific discoveries and technological breakthroughs. This period established the modern belief that society could be improved through technological innovation and social reform, a perspective that continues to influence development thinking today. The Industrial Revolution's legacy is complex and multifaceted. While it generated unprecedented wealth and improved living standards for many, it also created persistent social and environmental challenges. It demonstrated both the transformative power of technological innovation and the importance of managing such change responsibly. The revolution showed that technological progress needs to be accompanied by social progress to be truly beneficial. As we face contemporary challenges like climate change, automation, and artificial intelligence, the Industrial Revolution offers crucial lessons about managing technological change. It shows how innovation can have far-reaching, unpredictable consequences and highlights the importance of social and political institutions in managing these changes. The environmental problems created during industrialization continue to influence our approach to technological development and environmental protection. This historical transformation continues to shape our modern world. The technologies, social systems, and ways of thinking that emerged during this period remain influential as we navigate new technological revolutions. Understanding this pivotal period helps us better comprehend our present circumstances and prepare for future challenges in technological and social development.